Right. 2 blocks before dropping off the Doordash. Got an Ubereats lined up. What zone? What order? That's how you're supposed to multi-app, fam. 2 blocks before dropping off. Got an Ubereats order. And another one. Yes, sirski. Alright fam, today we're gonna be multi-apping DoorDash, Ubereats and Grubhub. We're dashing along the way with DoorDash, we're on with Ubereats, and we are on with Grubhub. Alright, let's wait a few minutes to get some orders. Let's get it fam. Alright fam, finally got our order from DoorDash, $2 per mile. Let's get it. Oh yeah, no tip I sip. Link in the video description, in the channel description, and below in the comments, fam. No tip I sip, motherfucker. Alright, let's go pick up this DoorDash order. Let's get it. Alright guys, before we go on with the video, gotta pay some bills. Here's a message from my sponsor Ekster. Tired of how thick your wallet is? Want to go with something more slim and sleek? Introducing the Ekster Slim Wallet, fam. Finally got my cash clip. Still got some money from Mexico and some US dollars. Just one click, all your credit cards come out. This wallet here holds up to 9 credit cards. You have more credit cards. There's one that fits up to 12, or there's some that fit up to 6 credit cards. I will drop the link below in the video description. Thank you Ekster for sponsoring this channel. Right. 2 blocks before dropping off the DoorDash. Got an Ubereats lined up. What zone? What order? That's how you're supposed to multi-app, fam. 2 blocks before dropping off. Got an Ubereats order. And another one. Yes, sirski. Alright, fam. 2 blocks from dropping off a DoorDash order. Got Ubereats order lined up.
Using the left lane, turn left onto 15th Street.
That's how you're supposed to multi-app, fam. I don't care about going out of my zone or taking an 8-mile order. If you're multi-apping and know how to do it, doesn't matter about zone with DoorDash. Yeah, so what I usually do, I log on, like, depending on the neighborhood, but generally speaking, half a mile away from dropping off, and I would have an order lined up. Let's get it, fam. Alright fam, got 2 for 1 at KFC. Let's get it. Alright, just like clockwork, right as we drop off the Ubereats, we got a DoorDash, fam. Let's go. We're in downtown Denver, so sometimes it's faster just to walk than trying to find parking, you know. It's only like 1 block. Let's go. Alright, Denver's finest, 16th Street, fam. Beautiful day in Denver. I think we probably got the last of the snow already. Yeah, it's been raining a lot, so probably won't get any more more snow. Downtown Denver is pretty vibrant. Lots of people walking, e-scooter, oh, that's good stuff. I always walk up and down the street when I was a little kid. Alright fam, got another order from DoorDash. It's more than $2 per mile. Let's get it. gonna be inside this food court. Let's go. Alright fam, I did log on with Ubereats, half a mile away, but nothing from Ubereats. But we do have a DoorDash order. Let's get it. More than $2 per mile. Let's go. Alright, got another order. Let's get it fam. Let's go. Alright fam, just as we're dropping off the DoorDash, got Ubereats lined up. And that's how you multi-app fam. Let's get it. Alright, just like clockwork, we got a double with Ubereats. And we're gonna pause DoorDash for a minute. Alright fam, dropping off a double right now. One from Poke House, one from Dave's Hot Chicken. Let's get it. This is by the aquarium. Let's go. Alright fam, thank you for watching this quick ride along on a Wednesday night from 4 to 8 p.m. approximately. So I was on the clock for like 3.5 hours. I had to drop off Holly and took her for a walk in the park. So I think I only worked like 3.5 hours, and between the two apps, this is how much I made with Ubereats. Yeah, I got stuck in traffic for a minute there, and with DoorDash, approximately 48. Can't tell you guys screenshots. So our first order was approximately $11. The second of the dash was around 23, and then the last dash was around 13. So we made 48 with DoorDash, and with Ubereats we made 42, 41. Just another average day with DoorDash and Ubereats. It was on a Wednesday night. There was no Nuggets game, and go Nuggets! We kicked some ass yesterday, man. I think we're gonna win it this year. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching this video all the way to the end. Going forward, I will continue to do more 10-minute videos. You know, I will still do live stream, but maybe every 2 weeks or so. You know, and most of you guys by now probably know that I'm a multi-apper. I do all the food delivery apps, Amazon Flex, Shipt, Spark, Instacart, and yeah, pretty much everything. And maybe in a couple of months, I will go back to UberX and Lyft. Yeah, please excuse all the noise. House is under remodeling. Thank you everybody for watching all the way to the end. Once again, thank you Ekster for sponsoring this channel. If you like the wallet and want to support the channel, please use my link below in the comments, in the video description, or in the channel description. And No Tip I Sip merch is also in the channel description, and I will also drop it in the comments and in the video description as well. Thank you everybody for watching all the way to the end. And that's how you're supposed to multi-app, you know. You just log on with all 3 apps, and then you take the first order, and then you log out, and then depending on the neighborhood, you will log on half a mile away from dropping off, or if you are in the suburb, maybe 2 miles away from dropping off. And that's how you're supposed to multi-app, you know. And if you want to take a dirty double, make sure it's the same restaurant going the same direction. If you want to do a dirty double, same restaurant going same direction. I've shown you guys dirty double before, right? Anyway, go Nuggets. Thank you everybody for watching all the way to the end. See you guys on the next one. Peace.